Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show how you can crop an image in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First open your Photoshop, then open the image file you want to crop. Just click on file and then open. Now I'll select a photo I want to crop. Let's select this one. Now from the tools menu, I will just select the crop tool. So as you can see, there is a border, so I'll just drag it. So let me do this. So when I'm satisfied, I'll just click the check mark. As you can see, the image has been cropped. Now I'll simply save this image. So if you save it, it will be saved as a project. So I'll just export it to a PNG or JPEG file. So if I do quick export, so I'll just rename it to cropped 1 image and then just click on save. So the image has been saved. Let's check it out. Let me open the folder. As you can see, this image has been cropped. So this is how you can crop an image in Photoshop. Like, comment and subscribe this channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.